pushing mountains. We start off with lifting sun and moon. The palms floating up beside the body, elbows back. Inhale as the palms float up. Exhale as the palms float down. Shoulders relaxed. And then at the top, we're holding sun and moon at chest level. We rotate the palms to the front. So if we were on the floor, this would be like the push-up start position. So we're going to do an air push-up, push out. We don't lock the arms totally out. There's still some bend. Elbows are down, relaxed. And then we lift up the fingertips and pull the arms back, opening up the chest. And we breathe in. Lower the palms a little bit, push, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Open up the chest, push out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm going to show you this from the sides. Lifting sun and moon, rotate the palms, pushing mountains. Lifting the fingertips, opening up the chest, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. Relax the arms, relax the shoulders. Relax the body so it moves naturally in this movement. It's a little sway when your body is fully relaxed. This is more like an ellipsis. There's a circular pattern to this movement. And then when we're done, fingertips to the sky and just hold it. Relax, relax the shoulders, drop the elbows, relax. Turn the palms to the sky, hold them out there, holding sun and moon out in front of you. Relax the shoulders. Pull sun and moon back so you're holding sun and moon by the chest. And then drop the palms. Let everything settle. Think of your lower dantian. Pushing mountains.